Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Gracie and this is Arsenia's Projects. On this video, I'm going to show you how I made these triangular or pyramid pattern weights. For the materials, we need a blank paper, a pencil or pen if you prefer, a ruler, the fabric of your choice, preferably cotton, woven and non-stretch. Pair of scissors, matching threads, and hand sewing needles, uncooked rice, and optionally you can put weights in it. It could be washers, marbles, or pebbles. I'm going to use washers. To start with, we need to draw one straight line as a guide. You will have to decide how big your triangular pattern weight will be. I wanted to have 3 inches on each side of my triangle, and I wanted to make sure that the initial line that I've made is in the center of that 3 inches. After we've made our first triangle, we'll make 3 more around it. I will start on top by drawing a guideline again and make sure that I will still have 3 inches on each sides. Now I will go on the bottom triangle, which is an inverted triangle as well. Now we're done drawing our inverted triangle. It's time to cut it out. Now we're done with the template of our triangular pattern weight. Pin your template on your fabric and trim it. Put the wrong sides together, fold your fabric, and pin it on one side. With this project, you can use a sewing machine or just simply hand sew it. Straight stitch on one side. Now fold another side and do another straight stitch. Now this time there's only one side that's left open. It's up to you if you wanted to leave it that way, but I prefer to do another straight stitch on half of that open side. Now carefully turn the right side out. Now if you prefer to use add-on weights, this is the perfect time to put it inside before the uncooked rice. And because I don't have a funnel at home, I'm going to use a tiny piece of paper so I can put the rice in the hole. Insert your funnel in the hole. And carefully put your uncooked rice inside. Just make sure that every corners of your triangle or pyramid is filled with uncooked rice. And just keep on putting rice until it's nearly full. Once you're satisfied with the weight of your pattern weight, it's time to close the hole by hand stitching it. Using a needle and thread, we're going to do a ladder stitch to close the hole. Make it look neat outside. Fold the tip of your triangle or pyramid inside the hole and make sure that it's neat before stitching. And you can start your ladder stitch. And there you have it, your do-it-yourself triangular pattern weight. So this is the one with the washer inside, which is a bit heavier than this just pure uncooked rice. I hope you like this video and try to make your own pattern weights because it's very easy and fun to do. And before we go, please don't forget to hit subscribe on this channel, Arsenia's Products, for more videos of sewing and crafting.